Here is another example on conversion of all numbers in base 6 to base 10. Let's convert 2113 base 6 to a number in base 10. Solution. You write out the number 2113 base 6. That's the number we're given. Now we start numbering from the back, starting from 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we simplify further. This becomes equal to, you pick the first digit, 2, multiplied by the base we are working with, 6, raised to the power of the numbering we have on top, 3, plus, we do the same thing for the next digit, and the next digit here is 1. So you have 1 multiplied by the base, 6, raised to the power of 2, plus, the next digit, 1, multiplied by the base, 6, raised to the power of the numbering, 1, plus the next digit, 3, multiplied by the base, 6, raised to the power of the numbering, 0. So we have equal to 2 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 3. That means 6 multiplying itself in 3 places. That is 6 times 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 places. So let's multiply. 6 times 6, you have 36. Times 6, that gives us 216. That means 6 raised to the power of 3 is 216. So we have plus 1 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 2. 6 raised to the power of 2 means 6 multiplying itself in 2 places. 1, 2. And 6 times 6 is 36. So we have 36 at this side, plus 1 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 1 is 6, plus 3 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 0, which gives 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Let's multiply. 2 multiplied by 216, we have 432, plus 1 multiplied by 36, we have 36, plus 1 multiplied by 6, we have 6, plus 3 multiplied by 1, we have 3. Now we had 432 plus 36, we have 468. 468 plus 6, we have 474. And 474 plus 3, we have 477 base 10. That is 2113 in base 6 is the same thing as having 477 in base 10. Thank you.